Let's say you and your best friend decide to go fishing, and to make it interesting, you make a bet who will catch the most trout. Now, to add another wrinkle to this bet, you have two choices of where to fish. You can choose to visit a popular local fishing point, but as a condition of fishing there, you'll also have to be blindfolded. In other words, you'll have to guess if you're actually catching the right kind of fish. Or you can go to a hidden pond that no one else has discovered yet, packed full of trout. Now, the answer of where to fish seems obvious, right? Well, guess what? This is much like what's happening on Facebook right now. Everyone is going after the same audiences while being completely blindfolded. Meaning marketers are cramming themselves into the same crowded pond, just guessing what's going to work for them. And I'm here to show you how to find the untapped potentials to target, and best of all, to do it in a way you'll know with absolute certainty which interests are working for your business in a way you've never seen before. It's Wilco the Cry here, and for the past 6 years my company's mission has been to help marketers get exceptional results with Facebook marketing. We have released tools which has helped tens of thousands of marketers to maximize ROI, build their list and optimize conversions. And in this short video I'm going to cover the most important steps for consistent profits with your Facebook campaigns. I mean, you can't ignore Facebook. With over 1.7 billion active monthly users, you can bet that your ideal customers are spending time daily on this platform. The reality? Reaching the best audience isn't as easy as it was just a few years ago. Why? Well, according to Facebook, over 3 million businesses and marketers are now advertising on its platform, including thousands in your niche competing for your best customers. In just 1 year time, there was a 220% increase in Facebook ad prices.
So how do we fight back? There are multiple things that make all the difference.
So first of all, stop going after the same audience that everyone else is chasing. Instead, uncover the highly targeted audiences that your competition doesn't know exist. And you won't find these using the Facebook Ads Manager or the Audience Insight tool, but they are out there. And secondly, stop targeting everyone that Facebook shows as being interested, but only target the most passionate inner circle group of people inside of those interests, and this alone will immediately result in an ROI boost. Sounds simple, right? But after months of trying, we couldn't find any tool that would make these things possible. So we took on the challenge and discovered a way to make this happen in a way you've never seen before. Introducing ConnectExplore, no guesswork interest targeting. After watching my ROI decrease over several months, I knew there had to be a way to make Facebook profitable again. So when we looked at the challenge of fierce competition and skyrocketing ad cost, we dug deeper into the root of the problem to create a solution. And to succeed, you need to target audiences that aren't being hammered by any other marketer out there. So ConnectExplore leverages multiple custom search engines in one powerful interface to find unlimited interest in your niche. Search by keyword and apply your filters to find the most relevant interest for your business. And based on your initial selection, we'll then provide even more targeted interest outside of your current search criteria to make sure you're not limited to your own imagination.
On top of that, you can easily drill down into the most passionate and most profitable part of your audiences using layering. This way your ads aren't just shown to everyone who Facebook thinks are somewhat interested, but are only shown to those who are truly passionate about the market that you're in.
There's a lot more under the hood of ConnectExplore, so be sure to check out the brief demo video further down on this page. And this tool is 100% Facebook approved, and this means we have access to the Facebook Ads API, which is important for two very good reasons. So first of all results this tool delivers are verified by Facebook, so you'll never again have to waste time filtering through interests that you can't even target. So unlike the majority of existing targeting tools, ConnectExplore only gives you usable and targetable results. And secondly, it allows you to upload all your interests into your Facebook Ads Manager in a single click, no more copy and pasting needed. So if you are ready to take full advantage of the marketing power of Facebook, you're in the right place. Now you'll be able to target audiences your competition will never find, drill down into the hottest interest groups for sky-high ROI, and then scale your campaigns predictably and effortlessly. Check out the demo video and details below, and then secure your lifetime license, which is only available during this initial launch. And those of you who know me know I never release anything without extensive testing, and ConnectExplore is no exception. So we took it to the test and we were amazed with the results that it got us, as you'll see in our case studies down below this page. But even more importantly, this tool gave our beta testers some of the best ROIs they've ever seen, which you'll find further down on this page as well. ConnectExplore comes with a full 30-day 100% unconditional guarantee, so test it out for yourself and see how easy it is to create and scale winning Facebook campaigns in any niche. Complete training and premium customer support are included, so if you ever have any issue, our support team has you covered. Facebook marketing has changed and a lot of people are missing out on the potential. Competition and ad costs are only going to keep on rising, so you need to get out in front of these to keep your business profitable. And ConnectExplore helps you do that in a way no other tool in the market can. So check out the details below and then lock in your lifetime access while you still can. As you know, you can target Facebook ads to any group of people based on what they're interested in. And the challenge is that using the Facebook Ads Manager or the Audience Insights tool, it's really hard to find the right interest to target. You'll either find a few highly competitive interests, or you'll be spending hours upon hours on research every single time you want to get a campaign up and running. And worst of all, even when doing that, your ads are still shown to a generic audience who aren't as likely to convert. ConnectExplore changes all of that. In just a matter of seconds, you'll find more interest to target than any of your competitors ever could. And even better, it allows you to get your ads in front of the most passionate group of people inside your market that are most likely to convert. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you everything step by step so you can see firsthand of how it all works. Let's get started with the audience search, which is an in-depth search engine that will find you hundreds and hundreds of interests to target in any market and any language. All you need to do to get started is enter one or multiple keywords, which you can even enrich using search extensions. Simply hit search and we'll give you as many interests as we can find. And obviously you want to target only the best audiences possible, which is why we pre-analyze your results so you can easily filter the most relevant audiences for your business. And as you can see right here, this single search already resulted in hundreds of different interests that you can target, and we're just getting started. Once you've gathered a list of initial interests, we will then automatically find even more interests that are all highly related. And this goes outside of the keyword that you've entered, making sure you're not limited to your own imagination. And as you can see, we made it our mission to make this incredibly intuitive and easy to use for everyone. So you can easily add these interests to your Facebook ads account, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Now that you've gathered a list of highly related interests to target, you can simply add them to your Facebook ads account from within the dashboard with a single click. There's no copy pasting or other manual work needed whatsoever. And while doing that, we've added something called layering, which allows you to easily dial into your audience even deeper. So normally you'll be targeting everyone who's inside any of those interests that you've selected, even if they're just inside one of them. And using layering will split up your total audiences into multiple groups of people, and we will then target the overlapping segments of those groups. In other words, you'll only be targeting those who are a match for at least 3 of those interests. Now, who do you think is more targeted? People who've accidentally liked one of those things, or at least 3 different ones? Exactly. So ConnectExplore makes it super easy. Simply add multiple layers, divide your interest, and hit apply. It's literally that easy. And as I'm sure you know by now, ConnectExplore changes the game from here on out on how we're going to target our ads on Facebook. You'll be able to find way more highly related interests to target in a matter of minutes. Target only the most profitable audiences using layering and apply it all to your Facebook ads account with a single click. And best of all, do it all from within a really easy to use dashboard. Hope you like this quick demo video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.